Hello, my name is Mr. Chuen. Welcome to my study room. Today I'm solving objective questions 27 and 42 of the 2023 General Mathematics paper written by Ghana. I choose to put these two questions together because they are related. So let's take question 27, which says that the gradient of the line passing through the points with coordinate 3, 6 and x4 is negative 2 over 5. Find the value of x. I think the most important word in this question is gradient. So we'll find the gradient of the line joining these 2 points. After that, we equate it to this. Then we solve for x. Let me write that quickly. The gradient of a line joining 2 points is change in y, which is the same as y2 minus y1, divided by change in x, which is x2 minus x1. And if we take the coordinate of this to be x1, y1, x2, and y2, then substituting that into it, the gradient is going to be 4 minus 6 all over x minus 3. So the gradient of the line joining this point is negative 2 over x minus 3. And the question said this is equal to negative 2 over 5. So I'm just going to equate the two of them, and whatever I get as my answer, that is the final answer. So equating the two of them, I'm going to have negative 2 over x minus 3 equals negative 2 over 5. By cross multiplication, I'm going to have negative 2 multiplying 5 to be equal to negative 2 multiplying x minus 3. Negative 2 times 5 is negative 10 equals negative 2 times x is negative 2x. Negative 2 times negative 3 is positive 6. Adding 2x to both sides and adding 10 to both sides, we're going to have 2x to be equal to 10 plus 6, or 6 plus 10, anyway you put it. So 2x will be equal to 16. Dividing through both sides by 2, x is going to be equal to 8. And looking through here, that is option D. The value of x is 8. We take the next question. Question 42 reads that the lines 3x plus 2y equals 4 and y equals 2x minus 5 intersect at a point with coordinate x, y. Find the coordinate of P. For me, the most important information here is the fact that the two lines intersect. So intersection of two lines simply means that we are going to solve the two equations simultaneously, and the values of x and y becomes the coordinate of the point of intersection. So let me rewrite the two, which I should be quick to add that you can put the two equations into your calculator and solve them simultaneously, or you solve them manually, which I'll be doing. So the first equation is 3x plus 2y equals 4. This is equation 1. Then equation 2 is y equal 2x minus 5. And the way the two equations have been set up, the best method to use here will be the substitution method. So I will say that substitute equation 2 into equation 1. That means wherever we see y in equation 1, we are going to put the whole of this there, which is here. So equation 1 now becomes 3x plus 2. Remember, y is now 2x minus 5. And that will be equal to 4. Simplifying further, we're going to have 3x plus 4x minus 10 equals 4. Grouping like terms, we're going to have 7x equals 4 plus 10. And 7x will be equal to 14. Dividing both sides by 7, x will be equal to 2. Then now we substitute this into equation 2 because that is very easy to do. So equation 2 now becomes y equals 2, wherever we see x we put 2 there, minus 5. So y will be equal to 4 minus 5, which is negative 1. Let me write the y here. So the coordinate of the point P will now be 2 and negative 1. And looking through the options, that is option B. Thank you for making time with me, and I hope to see you in my study room again. Bye bye.